birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, Auntie, happy birthday. God bless you always. Always praying for your good health. See you on Sunday. Bye.
Hello, Tita Rasi. Happy kami na marinig namin na ikaw ay 88 years old na. And congratulations for long life and happy, healthy years more na darating pa. Keep healthy and make yourself beautiful and still lovable to everybody. God bless you more and thank God it's
Hi, Auntie Rasi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you and good health para sa iyo. My favorite auntie. Love you. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health.
Long life and happiness.
Okay, naway malasing mo kami.
Birthday, Lola.
Hello, happy birthday. Thank God for giving you another year and more years to come. I wish you all the best, good health and happy life with family. And thank you so much for including us always in your prayers, especially Tantan. And it means a lot to me. I'm forever grateful. And God bless you po. Happy birthday po ulit. We love you and see you soon.
Grandma, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy! May you have a wonderful birthday. God bless. God bless.
God bless.